Hey, I know. It's when you can't remember that over the top of you there's bigger ones that are bigger, and then over the top of it there's a smaller one of all of it at the top of that.
What?
Huh?
That's not going to fit. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna have to shred the whole thing now.
What about this?
What is that?
Doesn't look important. It's a bill for something called electricity.
A bill? Who cares? We won't be paying that. Electricity is silly stuff that ought to be free.
I think you might. Oh, what about the lamps and the lights and the plug-in blanket?
Magic of some kind, like a spell or...
And loads of people agree.
What about our pet animal?
Well, let's have a look. No, just boring old guts, I'm afraid.
Hang on. I thought you had to be plugged in to be electric. You're not plugged in.
I knew it. She's a liar. Electricity isn't real, guys.
No, silly.
No, stupid. You're not run by batteries. Isn't he stupid?
He sure is.
Well, I have batteries.
Did someone say insurance?
Yeah. Here we go.
Insurance is
Back to normal.
great. You can take it from me. You can break what you want and get new stuff for
Hang
free.
on.
It's almost like you're teaching me.
Yeah, it is a bit.
But I'm going to go.
What's wrong? I thought you were up for pushing the boundaries.
Yeah, but to a...
That's right. Boundaries are important.
No, that's
Nice
not
to
the one-
hold hands with somebody else, but sometimes you need to keep them to yourself.
That's not what he meant.
What?
I said he meant...
Somebody say sedimentary?
What? No!
Books
Oh, come
are
on.
Interesting.
And who needs this boring coaster when we could have this electronic smart coaster?
You have drunk 26% of your tea.
It also checks your saliva for signs of diabetes.
You have diabetes.
And what good are these pathetic non-electric grapes? And we have these cyber grapes.
Okay, steady on now, guys.
And I'm actually glad that the person who gave us this boring non-electric urn died, because now we can get an electro urn.
can't power everything.
And I certainly don't regret drowning our boring pet to make way for this new electro creature. Isn't he funky?
Cool.
And he never dies.
What?
Huh.
Yeah, what have you been doing?
Okay, well, let me see. We were learning about electricity. I completed a crossword puzzle.
Yeah?
And I've been questioning the very nature of my reality.
Is that all? Come on, let's get on with it.
Can't I stay here with you?
Oh, no.
You're not my real son.
Only joking.
Something... shreddable. Hey!